You're going to lie down on the side, preferably probably on the floor, just because it's a bit, the surface is harder and you won't be able to sink into your mattress if you're lying on the bed. And then you're going to place your hand, your palm, on the top side of your ribs. Then from here you will take just a few breaths in and out and observe what's happening. Can you feel any movement of your ribcage moving out as you inhale and moving inwards as you exhale? So just first sort of establishing your baseline. And if you feel that there isn't movement here, but you're still breathing, hopefully, you want to then sort of observe your chest and shoulders. And is it a lot of breathing happening through the top of your chest? Then you kind of want to consciously try not to elevate your top of the shoulder, your chest too much for this purpose. And try to see if you can breathe in deeper and expand more through your ribs. So you then want to feel that movement of your ribcage up towards the ceiling and into your palm. And on the exhale, you want to feel that ribcage sinking back in towards the center of your body. And see if you can dissociate these two parts. So in the normal breathing, of course, your chest and your ribcage will move depending how deep you're breathing. But for the purpose of this, you want to really just feel the ribs movement, especially if you can't feel it at the beginning. So really teach yourself that first. And then once you're better, when you're feeling it and it's moving, you can sort of do this little exercise where you're inhaling. And as you're inhaling, you're slightly resisting it with your hand. So your ribcage needs to push a little bit harder, just a very small amount of resistance. And as you exhale, you're then using your arm and a light pressure to press the ribcage a little sort of down and towards the pelvis. So not directly down into the floor, but down into the and towards the pelvis. Almost like feel away from your armpit. And then, of course, you're going to turn around onto your other side and repeat the same on the other side of your ribs.